some shave, right? All right, are we on? Okay, guys, so welcome to BTM Africa. Today, I'm parked somewhere around Krofrom. Yes, Krofrom Total Filling Station, and the reason is that somewhere last week I went for a press conference where they were supposed to actually talk about a movie that is yet to be shot. And when I went there, I did see this young man, amazing. I mean, he's a genius, one guy who can actually produce the sound of almost every animal. I was shocked. I was like, whoa, does this really exist? I know in America, like Hollywood and all that, they are Foley artists and all that, but I didn't know we have one here. Well, for him, it is fun, but I felt this could be his way to break through, and so I thought I should just get him on BT Africa so that we get to talk and know what exactly he's about, how it started for him, what he's up to, what his dreams are, and all that. So we are on BTM Africa today. Forgive us with all that sound coming in from whichever bus it is. They want to show say yeah or yeah bus, so if you give him way. But welcome to BTM Africa as Justice joins me on BTM Africa today. Hey, right, Justice.
Boss.
The Justice net saying.
What corners way?
Yeah, me and don't know. What found?
That's it.
Interview we enter.
Oh yeah, I know it. Okay.
Nice one, nice. Only the menu dimensions of the Justice.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Menu dimensions of the Justice.
Okay.
There's a menu. Anyway, Justice, maybe who somewhere last week, I think, sent a press conference, we know more talking about movie BIA baby near the Honami Huna. I'm afraid say it's me making sounds of various animals near the. And for me, I felt it was not just about I didn't know way and it's any pensy because in America, Hollywood near the you know more Foley artists that yes no man it's your I feel that this would be a great opportunity for the world to know, and if Obi being here or more, and Obi being here for services, so better me after Justice. Any kind of was here who be found. Justice, Udiano no, free him, what to him.
Okay, Dika, meda was the song I'm saying. From Justice Osei.
Okay.
If you see one cast about Kumasi Krofrom, yeah.
Kumasi Krofrom boys and some way bad.
Oh, there be.
Sure. That's all we are by. Hey, Obi as well. Wait, make killer, no make killer, no.
Yeah, more soon now.
Yeah, more soon. Alright. So, okay. Now, school, Marco school, kaka.
Okay, Dika, my side was BM school. Na me any pana me go school. But na if you nye, me koye no me go do JHS 3. Do say kwa BC, you know. Because seven got kind of craving in a moment in my day. I could be in bed with him say, I couldn't wear me in India. You are very come, mammy. I'm on my mama school.
So we know opportunities to go school.
Yeah, because when I'm in school, come I need. Because when you have some opportunities, we have more programs, who are near the language we are say Ghana, to school, nice.
Yeah, so when your opportunity say I saw school anytime.
Oh yeah, me go.
Nice, I saw coach BC and I say I saw coach
David. Yeah.
Okay. When did you act him?
Pa, because Mr. T, na me director be friend Arafat na name about movie na better na yeah. As a small movie industry ni bi.
Okay.
Na na won but akra sana be di achi. Ama bra ben the director no pa promise me pa. But the mitwa movie be a friend my friend me. But man content na me ma say one na play role. Yeah, na me from a boy and I'm say so am one soon na. Yeah, a friend my friend me. It's akra sana me di do machi. The movie dey manage we pa.
Yeah, they are pese o.
Yeah, the guys one no. The same thing be a comedy do much on the that share American movies and sometimes they go and call for us be no mu here and one sound no. That thing be some say that sound we no mo for free. The me be say you know mo see your uncle for be na mo so massa sound no.
Yeah, omo ejuma no. Go ni be ka say Foley artist.
Okay, when you movie we pa. Yeah.
Sound now we no. Why be na fans so osuan e ba ni say na osuan e
Dika meda nyame ase adoma chede nyankopon de ama me ana me wo fa bi wo a friend Richard Kwanza ono na sometimes no akro from obi a friend of Rich.
Okay.
Yeah, ono na sometimes no Osei hunter ti wo kon na kura na no de medinachi.
Okay.
Ti wo ko enwe ma if am tisa abo Rich so am say anka me pa cha abo be ni ebi obo se owie sun ni Sango macho mbese misun ya akonya o yo e correct na ka che o enti me ya sanu na me qualify na ka chem say yeah sanu no no o sa mami o mami laptop bia automo dem account o mami call site via internet ka page bi na but the noise of bi a this send mami na put sanu na sanu ni timi ba e ma make make you so qualify na ka chem say no tika kan class na nyame ma do ma bibia
na say ade a wabo homodin a wo sua a wo
de adoma chede
ana wo say sua bi aka wow then the buyer when he no I mean acting no go hobby bia ho then no potin when he do
okay one say sometimes you know nyankopon mo adoma chede bia ni kwan say wo de hye wo mu e say wo ye ma afoforo wo no bi wo no talent and so e concentrate on no de so because nyankopon mo adoma chede a ni kwan say wo de tenase obu am sometimes no go for a year say it me frame me na ma call obu okwa en frame me na me am call draw arewo we na say na ma entertaining nipa yeah na arewo no so atikakra so bi was oh just place why are there jiwe it me dey na me no me dey to entertain people yeah
wow amazing and one is so na ya dey ma me ma dream ba also e ma call press conference because na honestly na me hu da na me ni hu share da. But oh yes, and I was like, wow. I feel say oh be I want to say we are saying your name. It's not make us an internet interview way back when into no. And more soon say do by say now waiting guys.
Oh, you say fear the end the film one of film the maybe you nyina.
When we film one
nyina. He said the one soon. He said kakape afafanto is someone no musun but more musun I attend the maybe you nyina. After my chasing room. Na me picking kakra because of more funny. When I did me to coin, so no not doing mommy. It's in your sound no. Yeah.
Well, me did say be more share because say sound by na kwai kan sound by na hoka. So obetimi ayi fie de ni bia mai.
Obetimi ayi achiro be say wa obo abo wa ni gino pa na me so ni so chiro.
E bi akoko.
Akoko no po oba na ope be ma.
Almost we different.
Yeah, ai ubu akoko no oba na okwa to ni sunku. Oto wi na odin sa okwa kusua ni sunku. Yeah, ana be man so sorry na pa ni sunku. Ti minim de wani gino pa.
Okay, enti akoko a wa chukosu ya ode won say koka no besu say. Asamo
we are to we na do nsa koka kusua no. Yeah, no su say sun.
Na be man nso a wa sorry na pa ni say. Wow. Yeah, some one say amanfo omo matwa ehun ahia nyina start efe. Enti eno efia
akukọ no oh sorry anopa no say sunu na otuwe na opan gosua no na se ohwane ne mana ne manu zuzu se.
Hey, someone na dem ahia.
Yeah.
Enti fia boa ben biem na betimi ai.
Enkra osoro anopa. Ase onyanya aduane ni na ne nua bi be kam na so omo kuntoko a esu a osu ni e omo kuntoko am
Samo o come here be aduane o
be aduane yeah, abobe me besa wa do ani to form a kira pa abo wa wani gina opa na me su ni su chi
abobe nkran na metimi
efie mo an bebri
se kraman so
krama no pem rofo dia na opefe dia na opede dia ba abo no emu dia na ope
yeah so we ni say dia be dia ma me o me ope dia me kan
me besa wo boni nyina mako
okay ti dia mami kraman ba me pe abrofo dia na usua ai
that is abonu sum kwade eseminya
na usua na u bra mpamu ana obi
o da bi mo fan de bi onim na mo Richard Kwanse de bia e bi ko bia
wow
onim na ya
wow ana krama de aba bonus so bi odin sembone ne de aba
we odin sembone de aba bono no ana osu se su o say apa and odi boda buy no sometimes in say come dinner omusu bom esu we no osu unam zoo asasa no nkwan out aponche on say aponche be man wo hu oba no osun bi osun na ofie so osun bi osun wo hu oba no say no osun
a commando.
Oh, there you
go. You mau deal. Choban away, we are just a copy the animal, Diana.
Yeah, a crown. A cry, boy, when you swim the ape.
That's a mouse.
Yeah. Me.
Wow. Wow. Because I mean, we are main car because me and I'm shocked priced. I
say, Preco, ya China Kukuna. Nisunko, ano ofie nisunko. Ya twena gokunu nisunwe no sun preko no. Preko gokwa akomde no.
I see who. Who cry more because I was nipe try who share omo nyina yo mo why are offer so yes I do I mean it's amazing. I think you are a genius.
Thank you.
So far affect you adwuma bi and say so far I dey awa we and keke
me start emotion we no na me ye no nko forward na say but me start nyame adum kakra sa na radio no presenters no obo otinu ben say me amba pali babasi otinu me no afre me od ma be program od me program na no ama miska na Kesme FM for you use me ana Angel FM Ike papa came no mu use me the radio stations more na use me bi we tenwa na ebo me kakra sa
but movie na nkasa de obi anya mfa o say sound ye my na ne mouse ka
me ba cho there bi ana me yes sound we no it did my TV stations more na hu me UTV ni Adum TV it's me Kokofi TV.
Okay.
Yeah, me program no. And a BBC for hu ye no mo fe Kokofi TV say okomunya.
Yeah.
Kokofi TV na no mo din komo. No mo ma ye dey say dey to no me ba. Mo ba Ghana no. No be interview me always level.
Wow.
Yeah. Number 2 BBC page. So ka class na everyone.
Wow. Wow. Me just say interview we be man if adodo na so ni be ba ho so a bibia ni omo be pense omo be fe na say obi hia o se si a bia for movie ana bibia obede no afre obede no nya
edika me de was say obe ma me say akwanya wi sometimes me ko program ya na me de me number 2 wait me say obe ma akwanya ma me de number
oh enti na me bisa na say so obi hia wa number ben no be fe wa na
me am personal number and me use 0553 14 70 95.
Okay.
0553 14 70 95. And me am personal number.
Personal number here obeti me average. Now Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and
after na me create a Twitter and Facebook na any YouTube channel.
Okay.
After me create. Yeah.
But you be share any me bomb pie na ejidi say Nyankopon so nam kwan pa so na obebie kwan ama obi obi hia obi a se ne be a obeti me afro na oye juma school na kan nso ebedi hu nkomo na ya hes bigide se obi bi ohwe bia nso ebi opeso boy ni aba no ye nua be ma no for school no obeti me afre number na o kan ne se ne be a ye be boa na because education is important and he has the zeal to go back to school, so if there are other you want to support, why not? He said he's willing and ready to go back to school. And answer ni ebe kono. Ye fie mu ano.
Ye fie mu ano. Be say odi mi gura enwuram. Akwahwe de wo nwuram. Esun we no osun. We akwahwe de no. Na ntwi be ma no. Wo de abahwe ntrim esun we no osun. Jata be ma no. Se kom de na o. We say oh, Messi. Apa tu pre? Sometimes me sunya me dey pa, sunya ni awosu.
Wow.
A bublo. Obi bu say say, "Onyante monkey su." Monkey no, ye omu mienu.
Okay.
Ba ku ye say, na bago de
we are some Justice. Anyway, Justice, me and Joe Murphy, me did say, normal brains who I saw here. And I go from to the city music and I hear she me sure so free ha. When the boys sleep away Biafra, but me don't want to send me fraud and I'm a tons of fraud no buy. School has some say me can you be doing come. Okay. And a number and so me did say obi be here or be friend na dey come. Justice, me that say never join name.
That's it.
Okay. It's all the best things.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, so for Justice, and then he's a genuine fine artist, and I say he's a genius because the very sounds and all that he does, it takes a genius to be able to do all these. So if you're out there from Hollywood, wherever, if you're looking for that artist to make all those sounds, make all those impressions for you for the movies or for whatever it is, you know who to contact. Get in touch with Justice. Thank you very much for watching. Invite your friends to watch this. Let them leave comments if they are impressed. Let them leave comments. Let them share the post as well. Let the world get to see this amazing genius we have right here in Ghana and in Kumasi, to be precise. Osei Miyawadi. Within the NYDJ, someone subscribe to the channel. So we meet some other time. Thank you very much.